Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs designed specifically for Windows 10 users under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Windows 10 experience. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Windows 10? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your data and login info stay safe from any prying eyes. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, stopping any data leaks on your Windows 10 device. Plus, their no-logs policies have all been verified, meaning they don't track your online activity or which apps you use. But it's where they differ that really matters for Windows 10 users. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Windows 10 because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, meaning your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy and security. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious websites, including nasty pop-ups or fake software downloads that can harm your PC, even when the VPN is off. It also has this cool tool called MeshNet, letting you securely connect your Windows 10 machines or share files safely on a private network. The one small downside, you're limited to 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is no problem with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can use it on your desktop, laptop, tablet, and phone all at once without a hitch. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any Windows 10 power user can audit their code for backdoors or vulnerabilities. And here's the kicker, their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise, it's been proven. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection and better speeds on Windows 10. If you're dealing with buffering or slow downloads, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for faster streaming and lower latency, though keep in mind this does come with a trade-off in encryption. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest on Windows 10? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means quicker file downloads, smoother video calls, and less lag when gaming or streaming. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering solid, steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be fast, but our tests found its performance varies, with speeds depending heavily on the server you choose. So, which VPN should you pick? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if you want the fastest speeds and the best mix of security and features for Windows 10. Go with IPVanish if you have lots of devices or want a reliable, self-managed network that keeps your connection stable. And finally, pick PIA if you prioritize privacy above all else or want open source apps verified by the community. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running on Windows 10. See you soon.